then the value of x square plus 1 upon x square is option A 32, B 33, C 34, and option D 35. Do it. Meanwhile, I will admit student. Start solving this question. Practice the question, my dear. Try to solve as many as problem in the revision. Then only you will get good marks. Without practice, nothing is going to happen. Chalo. Do not send me the answer. Yes. Do not send me the answer. I will ask you to send the answer. So take your own time. Then second question. Second question. Red ink is visible. Red ink. Yes. Red ink is visible. Yes. Prakash Patel. If x is 2 plus x is 2 plus root 3, then the value of x square plus the value of x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square is option A 12, B 13, C 14, D 15. Okay. Let me give you more questions. Few more questions. So solve this. If third question. Third question. If AB is 18, and A minus B is 7, then the value of A plus B, and the value of A plus B is option A plus minus 10, B plus minus 11, C plus minus 12, D plus minus 13. Good. Solve the problem in the revision. Good. Then fourth question. Let me give you descriptive also. Okay. Let me give you descriptive also. Chalo. Find the mean value of 53, find the mean value of 22, 10, 4, 8, 12 and 16. Option A 12, B 13, C 10, D 4. Fifth question. Fifth question. Fifth question. See, you put your DP, you put your photograph in your DP. Okay, don't leave it blank. Because just now I received Harshad and DP, it was given I. So I have not admitted. Chalo, solve this. Solve this. Yes. Chalo. Fifth one. Fifth one. Find the magnitude of, find the value of theta. Find the value of theta. Find the value of theta. If, find the value of theta if 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta plus 1, 2 sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta is equal to 0. Option A, theta is equal to 15 degree and 45 degree. Option B, theta is equal to 0 degree and 30 degree. Okay. Then option C, theta is equal to 30 degree, 45 degree. D, theta is equal to 0 degree and 45 degree. Let me give one more question, 6th. 9th B 26. Yes, Abhishek Chauhan, you put your DP photo, my dear. Abhishek Chauhan, you put your DP photo. What is on there? If tan theta is equal to cot theta, if tan theta is equal to cot theta, and theta lies between 0 degree and 90 degree, 0 degree and 90 degree, then the value of theta, is, option A, 0 degree, B, 30 degree, C, 45 degree, and D, 90 degree. Solve all these 6 problems. Take 5 minutes. Take 5 minutes to go through this problem. Take 5 minutes to go through this problem. Okay. Take 5 minutes to go through this problem. Sahil Purohit, 9B25. चलो solve this. चलो send me the answer of first answer. चलो, yes, all of you send me the answer of first. Satish Patel C, Meet Rathod C, Aryan Patel C, Kavya Jain 9th B, roll number B. Okay. Anshu Patel C, Sahil Purohit C, Pratham Sethia C, Rushabh Gathani C, Tanvi Patel C, Ravina Chaudhary C, Rudra Bagwe C, Meet Rathod C, Jay Gandhi C, Aniket Chauhan C, Raj Chavda C. Yes, many more students. Send the answer. Gaurav Raj Purohit C. Because everybody has to appear the examination. So try to solve the problem at least in the revision. Yes, what is your answer? Satish Patel C. 34. So let us log this answer 34. Majority are giving the answer C, 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 C. So the correct answer is 34. Correct answer is 34. Let us check it. How this answer is 34? X is 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 root 2. X is 3 plus 2 root 2. X is 3 plus 2 root 2. Correct. X is 3 plus 2 root 2. Correct. Then what is the value of 1 upon x? 1 upon x will be 3 minus 2 root 2. Correct. Rationalize the denominator. So x plus 1 upon x, you will get 6. Then square it. X plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. So this value is 6. 6 square minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square. 6 square is 36. 36 minus 2 is 34. So the correct option is C, 34. Correct? Very good. Chalo, send me the answer of second. Satish Patel C, Tanvi Patel C. Yes, Satish Patel C, Tanvi Patel C, Sarita Gupta C, Aryan Patel C, Raj Chavda C, Pratham Sethia C, Jay Gandhi C, Rushabh Gathani C. Yes, Aniket Meet Rathod C, Anshul Patel C, Karan Chauhan C, Sahil Purohit C, Ravina Chaudhary C, Anushri Misra C. Yes, what about other students? Hardly 10 students they are giving the answer. Aniket Chauhan C. Aniket Chauhan C. C means 40. C means 40. In the same way you will solve this. In the same way you will solve this second one. In the same way. Kenil Doshi, 9th-40. Jenil Doshi, be on the right time, my dear. How long? You are joining 15 minutes late. Jenil Doshi. Now you give the answer. Otherwise, after. Jenil Doshi, 9th-14. Okay, I have marked present. But you also give the response. Chalo. Second option is, all of you are giving the answer C, 40. Let us check it. X is 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. Then 1 upon x will be 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Rationalize the denominator. 2 minus root 3. Multiply and divide. 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So this will be 2 minus root 3 upon a plus b into a minus b. 4 minus 3, 1. So 2 minus root 3. X plus 1 upon x will be 4. So use the formula. X plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. Now this value is 4. 4 square is 16. 16 minus 2 is x square plus 1 upon x square. That is 40. So correct option was C, 40. Correct option is C, 40. Yes, very good. Correct answer is for second is 14. So two problem we have discussed and we have given the answer. Two problem we have covered. Send me the answer of third one. AB is 18. AB is 18. AB is 18 and A minus B is 7. हाँ, सरिता गुप्ता सी, अंशुल बी, सरिता गुप्ता बी, सतीश पटेल बी, अमित जैन बी, आर्यन पटेल बी, जय गांधी बी, मीट राठौड़ बी, ऋषभ गठानी बी, अलेक्स सागर बी. Yes, Alex. Where you were there for first and second question, Alex Sagar. So Raj Chavda B. Yes, Tanvi Patel. Where is your answer? Tanvi Patel. Then Evrina, Anushree Misra B, Ravina Chaudhary B. Okay. Arvina Prajapati. Where is your answer? Tanvi Patel B. Okay. B means plus minus 11. B means plus minus 11. So which formula you have applied? You have given a, yes. You are given A minus B and you want to find A plus B. So use the direct formula. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square is equal to 4AB. A plus B we have to find. A minus B is given, that is 7. 7 square is 49. 4 into AB. AB is 18. So A plus B whole square is minus 49 is equal to 72. So A plus B whole square is 72 plus 49, 121. So taking square root, you will get A plus B is equal to plus minus square root of 121. Square root of 121, that is plus minus 11. So the correct option is B, plus minus 11. Yes, is it clear everybody? Those who are not giving the answer. Still it is not clear. If it is not clear, then let me give you assignment. Some 50 questions you to solve. So participate in the revision period. Try to solve at least problem in the revisions. Because you are going to appear 80 marks examination. Okay. And we want everybody to score good marks. That will be only possible when you participate actively in the revision. When you participate actively in the revision, then only it is possible. Chalo. Send me the answer of fourth. Anshul Patel A, Tanvi Patel A, Meet Rathod A, Sarita Gupta A, Rishabh Gathani A, Jay Gandhi A, Alex Sagar A, Meet Rathod A, Aryan Patel A, Raj Chavda A. Yes, Tejas Bhandari, join at the right time, my dear Tejas Bhandari. Join at the right time. Karan Chauhan A. Send me the answer of A. Fourth one. Pratham Sethia A. Karan Chauhan A. Yes, Satish Patel, what is your answer? A. Okay. Sahil Purohit A. Tanvi Patel. Then Arvina Prajapati. She has joined but she is not giving the answer. Why? Oh, option A. Okay. Option A means mean value is 12. Let us see. How will find the mean value? That will be sum of all the values. 10 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 divided by how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that will be 72 upon 6. That will be 12. Yes? So the correct answer is 12. For fourth one, the correct answer is 12. Mean value is 12. Chalo, send me the answer of fifth. Fifth answer. Satish Patel B. Anshul Patel B. Tanvi Patel B. Rishabh Gathani B. Meet Rathod B. Raj Chavda B. अलेक्स सागर बी, अनुश्री मिश्रा बी, आर्यन पटेल बी, अरवीना प्रजापति बी, अनिकेत चौहान बी, मीत राठौड़ बी, सरिता गुप्ता बी. Very good. Yes, Jay Gandhi, your response had now come. चलो, majority are telling the answer B. B means theta is 0 degree or 30 degree. Theta is 0 degree or 30 degree. Let us see. 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta plus 1 minus cos theta is equal to 0. Whenever 4 terms are there, you do the grouping of two terms. Do the grouping of two terms. In first two terms, 2 sin theta is common. Then what is left? Cos theta minus 1. Correct? Then cos theta plus 1 minus cos theta, I can write 1 into, we want to write minus, this is cos theta minus 1 and this is 1 minus cos theta. So if you take minus 1 common, then it is cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So you will get cos theta minus 1 common, then it will be 2 sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So now use the result. A dot B is 0. That will give you either A is 0 or B is 0. So cos theta minus 1 is 0, cos theta minus 1 is 0, or 2 sin theta minus 1 is 0. So that will give you cos theta is equal to 1 or sin theta is equal to minus 1 will go on that side, 2 will go on the 1 by 2. But cos of which angle is 1? But cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 degree is 1 and sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So that will give you theta is equal to 0 degree or theta is equal to 30 degree. So theta is equal to 0 degree or 30 degree. So the correct option is B. The correct option is B. Theta is 0 degree or 30 degree. Theta is 0 degree or 30 degree. Yes. Anybody has any doubt so far in revision? Those who are not giving the answer, is it clear to them? Because everybody is not giving the response in the revision. And we want everybody to participate in the revision. So both are going in the opposite direction. Okay. Chalo. Sixth one, send me the answer of sixth one. Satish Patel C. Okay. Aryan Patel C, Meet Rathod C, Anshul Patel C, Raj Chavda C. Yes, what about others? Yusuf Gathani C, Jay Gandhi C, Anushri Misra C, Janvi Rathod C. Very good, Janvi. Pratham Setia C, Karan Chauhan C. Yes, what about others? What about others? C. Preet Mehta C. Very good. Chalo. Preet Mehta has joined, has started participating. Ravina Chaudhary C. Meet Rathod. Sir, lock option C. Chalo, lock karta hu. Lock the option C means 45 degree. Let us see whether lock option is correct. Tan theta is equal to cot theta. Tan theta is equal to cot theta. Correct? So tan theta is equal to cot theta, I can write 1 upon tan theta. So when you will cross multiply, you will get tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so tan theta is equal to square root of 1, that is 1. So tan of which angle is 1? Tan 45 degree is 1 and 45 degree is 1. So that will give you theta is equal to 45 degree. Okay. So theta is equal to 45 degree means option C was correct. Option C is correct. Theta is equal to 45 degree. Chalo. So 6 problem we have covered. Let me cover few more problem. Chalo. The following observations. 7th one. the following observations, the following observations, the following observations have been, the following observations have been arranged in ascending order. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order. Okay. If the median of the data, if the median of the data, if the median of the data, if the median of the data is, if the median of the data is, median of the data is 20, find the value of x. Find the value of not x, find the value of a. Find the value of a. The options are given, sorry, not options. The data is given 3, 4, 7, 8, 10, 18, a plus 2, a plus 4, 26, 28, 31, 36, 38 and 40. So this is the given data. Here median is given 20. Okay. Find the value of A. The options are A. A is equal to 15, B is equal to 16, C is equal to 17, D is equal to 18. Do it. So don't be in a hurry. Read the question. Try to understand the question. So data is already given in the ascending order. Data is already given in the ascending order. Here median is also given. Median is given 20. Find the value of A. Find the value of A. Okay. Find the value of A. Let me give one problem from geometry. One problem from geometry. 7th, 8th. You are given a triangle. Okay. You are given a triangle. This is right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. This angle is given theta. This angle is given theta. Theta. This value is given 10. This value is given 20. Find the value of theta. Find the value of theta. Find the value of theta. My reference angle is theta. Okay. Option A. Option A 30 degree. B 45 degree. C 60 degree. And D is 0 degree. Then ninth one. Evaluate 6 cos 60 degree. 6 cos 60 degree minus 5 tan 45 degree minus 5 tan 45 degree plus 14 sin 30 degree. 14 sin 30 degree. The option is given. A is 2, B is 3, C is 4 and D is 5. Shall I do it? Let me see. 8 minutes are there, you can easily do. Eight minutes are there, you can easily find out. Okay.
Chalo, my dear, do it. Median of the data is given. You count how many values are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A plus 2, do not consider 2 value. A plus 2 is my 1 value. A plus 4 is 1 value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 values are given. 14 is odd number. 14 is even number. So median formula will change. Median will be n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation whole divided by 2. Median is given 20. Just substitute. Get the answer. Chalo, send me the answer of 7th. Send me the answer of 7th. If anybody has done. Chalo, 7th answer. Satish Patel C. Jay Gandhi C. Rishabh Gathani C. Anshul Patel C. Tirath Gandhi C. Tanvi Patel C. Meet Rathod C. Raj Chavda C. Yes. Preet Mehta C. Janvi Rathod C. Rishabh Gathani C. Amit Jain C. Okay. Neil C. Yes. So C means 17. 17 is the correct answer. Because n value is given, n is 14. Okay, so median is equal to n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term whole divided by 2. Okay, so median is given 20. 20 is equal to n by 2. N is 14. 7th term plus 8th term divided by 2. So 20 is equal to 7th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A plus 2. 8th term. A plus 4. So A plus 2 plus A plus 4 divided by 2. So 2 will get multiplied. 40 is equal to 2A plus 8. 2A plus 6. 40 minus 6 is 2A. 40 minus 6 is 34. 34 is equal to 2A. 34 divided by 2 is 8. So 17 is equal to A. So the correct option is 17. 70. Very good. Those who had given the answer, they had given the answer fast and accurate answer. So I appreciate their effort. Okay. Chalo. Send me the answer of 8. Chalo. 8-1. 8-1. Satish Patel C. Sarita Gupta C. Tirath Gandhi C. Anshul Patel C. Rishabh Gathani C. Jay Gandhi C. Janvi Rathod C. Ravina Chaudhary C. Meet Rathod C. Amit Jain C. Meet Rathod C. Raj Chavda C. Janil Doshi C. Yes, Janil. C option. Very good. Arvina Prajapati C. Neil C. Pratham Sethia C. Chalo. Yes. Take 2 more minutes. So majority are giving the answer C. C means 60 degree. C means 60 degree. C means 60 degree. You want to give your answer as 60 degree. Don't think that the bigger value of answer will be your value of theta. No. Okay. Don't think that always the bigger value of theta will be our answer. It is not like that. So use trigonometry. Concept of trigonometry. Chalo. So majority are giving the answer C, that is 60 degree. So let us log this answer 60 degree. How it has come here? This is right angle triangle. This is my hypotenuse. Okay. My reference angle is theta. So this side is called adjacent side. This side is called adjacent side. So adjacent is given and hypotenuse is given. So in which ratio we consider adjacent and hypotenuse? Yes, tell me, my dear. In which ratio? Cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse means cosine ratio. So cos theta is equal to adjacent. Adjacent means 10, hypotenuse is 20. 10 upon 20 means 1 by 2. So cos theta is 1 by 2. Yes. Cos of which angle is 1 by 2? 60 degree. But cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. 60 degree is 1 by 2. So that will give you theta is equal to 60 degree. Theta is equal to 60 degree. So option C was correct. Option C was correct. 60 degree. Option C was correct. Whenever you are given opposite and hypotenuse, sine, adjacent and hypotenuse, cos, opposite and adjacent, you will consider tan. So this you remember. If you remember this, then there will not be any problem in evaluation part. Chalo, send me the answer of 9th. 9. Satish Patel D, Karan Chauhan D, Tanvi Patel D, Rishabh Bathani D, Meet Rathod D, Anshul Patel D, Janvi Rathod D, Sarita Gupta D, Raj Chawda D, Jay Gandhi D, or anybody else? Anybody else? Alex Sagar, where you were heading? Alex Sagar D, Aryan Patel D, Pratham Sethia D. चलो और कोई? Meet Rathod, lock option D. चलो lock करता हूँ. Lock the option D. Meet has said lock option D. Let us lock the option D. D means 5. Okay. So let us find 6 cos 60 degree. 6 cos 60 degree minus 5 tan 45 degree plus 14 sin 30 degree. Okay. So let us see. 6 cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. 5 tan 45 degree. 45 degree is 1. Tan 45 is 1. Plus 14 sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So 2 3s are 6. Answer is 3 into 1. 3 minus 5 plus 2 7s are 14. 7 7 into 1 7. 7 plus 3 positive number plus plus 7 plus 3 10. 10 minus 5 5. So the correct answer is 5, which is your option number D. Option number D, 5 is the correct answer. Okay. So it is 10:30. We stop here. We will see more revision in the next last period, 6th period. Yes. Bye everybody. See your last date of submission of project is 10th October. Before that you upload it on MICM. Okay. Okay. Bye. See you in the 6th period. Bye everybody.